watching Daelene's Fantasy Playland!
Hey guys, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe either for more videos. Like.
Hi everyone, today we're gonna have a mystery box and it's from Kids. Okay, let's open it. What? This is the Mega Bounce.
Wow!
There's a better one for Garen. Oh, sweet. Wow! This is the Sky Spinner. There's another Sky Spinner.
Wow!
This is the Sunny Boom. I got a letter from Kids. Thank you guys for sending these toys.
So, the Wicked Sonic Booma Sports Boomerang is a whistling version of the world's best returning boomerang.
And it also makes a sound when you throw it in the air.
That's so cool. So, with the advanced tri-blade design, the Wicked Sonic Booma flies an impressive 45 to 60 feet.
Next is the Sky Spinner.
The Wicked Sky Spinner is a groundbreaking hand-propelled spinning trick disc. So simply spin your Sky Spinner to unleash an awesome array of tricks and stunts. And the Sky Spinner can reach an incredible 500 revolutions per minute. That's really fast.
Next is the Mega Bounce. This is a giant ball.
Yeah, it has 2.51 meters circumference, which is really big. It has a pump included.
It can almost bounce anywhere.
Yeah, you can throw it in the grass or even in the sand.
And these toys are available at Walmart. Come on guys, let's try it outside. Let's go. Let's open the boomerang, guys.
Whoa!
I got it done. It's hard.
This is my third try with the Sonic Boom.
Let's try the Sky Spinner. This one. I should ready that. This one looks like a Frisbee.
Whoa! Whoa!
Now let me try.
There you go. Whoa! Good job. There you go. One. Whoa! Awesome! Whoa!
Mega Bounce. Here's the pump. And here's Daelene's red ball.
Guys, look, I'm a mega hand.
I got one pump out. So here's the tube. You connect it by putting it here.
Okay, guys, let's remove the plug.
Put this on top of the nozzle. Then you put it in.
Guys, let's come. This is too hard. I need to down.
It's getting there, guys. If it's getting harder to pump, that means it's almost ready. So when it's finished, you get the plug, pull it in, and that means it's ready. Just to play with it, you just bounce it.
Whoa! It's not gonna fit in there.
There's still a both side. Two. That is red.
Somebody has to win. Oh.
I win! A giant volleyball!
Whoa! Whoa! That's so cool.
Guys, I'm a frog! Okay guys, I'm going to take a break.
Daelene, what?
Guys, I hope you enjoyed our video. Please subscribe to my channel.
Don't forget to watch the next episode, guys. Hit the